16 years ago, in an empty old place, a little voice was crying in the dust and the rain. A lonely little kitten with a story untold, a heart full of love and a body so small. And Ginger walked in, and the whole world stood still. She ran to that kitten, and that kitten ran to her. Two hearts found each other in a moment of grace, like they'd known one another from another time and place. Oh, precious, my good cat, you're resting tonight. No more shadows, no more pain, just fields of golden light. You slept on my pillow, you sang me your song. Your purr kept me awake when the nights felt too long. You reached out your paw just to touch my face, a little reminder that love had a place. You were more than a cat, you were family to me. Precious, my good cat, you're finally free. You had a way of knowing when someone needed you near. You loved your boys, Ben and William, through all those years. You watched them grow up with those gentle eyes, a little furry guardian right by their side. And when lunchtime came, you knew what was best, especially when tuna was put to the test. A soft little paw reaching out for my face. Don't forget about me, I'm part of this place. Oh, precious, my good cat, you're resting tonight. No more shadows, no more pain, just fields of golden light. You slept on my pillow, you sang me your song. Your purr kept me awake when the nights felt too long. You reached out your paw just to touch my face, a little reminder that love had a place. You were more than a cat, you were family to me. Precious, my good cat, you're finally free. I know there's a place where the good ones go, where the warm sun shines and the soft winds blow. Maybe there's a pillow waiting just right, and a quiet little corner beside a heavenly light. Maybe someday when my journey is through, I'll hear that old purr and I'll come home to you. Oh, precious, my good cat, we said goodbye today. We laid you down with love as you started your way. 16 years of memories, a lifetime of grace, a little paw print forever left in our place. You chose Ginger first, but you chose me in the end, and I'll always be thankful you called me your friend. good cat. You'll always live with me. Sleep well, little one. Your family loves you. Your boys remember, and your human misses you.